In this video, you'll learn how to add a Sender ID in Mailercloud. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailercloud account and click on your profile at the bottom left corner and select Domains. This takes you to the authentication page where you can see all your domains. Now click on the Sender Management tab right next to Domains. Here you'll see all your existing Sender IDs. To add a new one, click the Add Sender button on the top right and a panel will open on the right side, and you can follow this exact same process when adding a Sender ID for your main domain too. In the Sender Domain dropdown, select your subdomain. In the From Email Address field, enter the email prefix you want. For example, type info to create info at your domain. As soon as you do this, a reply ID gets automatically generated with the same email address. If you want to use a different reply ID instead, you can go to the reply ID section and add one separately. Then fill in the remaining fields: company address, city, state, zip code, and country. Once done, click Continue. Your Sender ID is added instantly, and the status shows as verified right away. No extra steps needed. You can also manage your Sender IDs from here. Just click the drop-down arrow next to any Sender ID to edit or remove it whenever needed. That's how simple it is to set up a Sender ID in Mailercloud. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing with Mailercloud.